Okay, so I got the new fuel pump. It's installed. I didn't do any video on that. It makes about 36 psi. It's holding pressure. I charged this system. I don't see any leaks. There's nothing dripping. I don't smell any leaks. So we could try it. Maybe. Nothing. It's gonna take a while then. I know I got spark. Because I checked the sparker reader already. These things can go boom sometimes when you... This is really hot already. Okay, well that was a good sign. Give it a little bit more. Give it a little bit more. Fuel pressure's still good. A little bit more. Twist and turn and fire. Maybe get shocked. So I don't remember where we left off. I'll have to watch. I think I got the fuel pump in. I tried to start it. It was sad. And then I had to go eat dinner. After that, I came back and I farted around with this thing till 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm still a no start situation. I will burn up the starter before this is over. This is starting fluid. So it wants to. I was able to get timing light on there, running it off the battery, shooting timing. I'm pretty close to 5-10 degrees. Let me show you the next thing. So if I go in here like this and dig around and plug in my number 3 plug wire, I have a remote key. So I cut a notch in the end of this broomstick. I can stick it through the window. Okay. So remote key. Car turn on. Take loose the number 3 plug wire. Do it again. So it's only hitting on 1 cylinder, number 3. And you can tell it tries when you hit it with the ether. It's a brand new motor. It's just been rebuilt. I've done the basics. Okay, compression is good. I checked compression, all 4 cylinders. Made sure my plug wires are all right. This is where it gets frustrating and labor intensive. because I have to take stuff off in order to check stuff. When you take stuff off, it's hard to fire stuff back up without putting everything back together again. My guess is I'm not getting fuel to 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, 4. I get fuel to 3 and it sparks. I've unplugged all of the plugs, plug wires, plugged them back in one at a time. Number 3 is the only one that hits. And I know I have fuel circulating because the fuel pump works. Should have put a filter on the return line. It doesn't matter. I got fuel to number 3, so I know that works. All right. Fuck. So this is the tedious part. So I've already checked number 4, and it's getting voltage. But if I want to check the rest, I've got some stuff to do. This is what happens when you let things sit for a year, which doesn't bode well for everything else in the shop. I think I can pick this up, and I could probably move it a little bit up and over without doing too much damage. So I got power to that one. Did I unplug this? Not yet. Unplug that. So it doesn't heat up. I know number 3 works, because it's the only one that works. Got power to that one. I got power to that one. And this one is stupid because of this thingamajig in the way. And there's power to that one. Pulling the rail. So now I should be able to get all this out of here if I left myself enough room. Yeah. What's it hanging up on? I kind of need that. So if I turn on fuel, activate the pump, nothing should fire. Interesting. Very interesting. I hope you could see most of that. So I could I have done that with it all together? Maybe, but I wouldn't be able to see. So this is the power probe. You hit the button and it'll send power. And what's happening is 1, 4, 2, and 1 are not pushing any fuel. Number 3 pushes fuel. It's got a good spray. It's clean. It's all over everything. Not too bad, but a little bit. So I got 3 bad injectors. They're not moving. So I gotta find injectors. And until then, I'm kind of stuck. But that's okay. At least I know. I know what's not happening now. I got spark. I got fuel to 1 cylinder and nothing else. So, turning everything off. I'm gonna get on the internet. Fuck around. Maybe find out. Should have tested them before I put them on. Yes, I know. It's okay.